What subjects are helpful for children's imagination?
Leo Fenn.
I think art, creative writing, and drama are the most helpful subjects for developing children's imagination. These subjects often give children open-ended tasks, so there is not just one correct answer. For example, a teacher can ask children to rewrite the ending of a story and share their own version. Science also helps children think of possible explanations, so both creative and analytical subjects are important.
Leo Dion Wu Fenn.
I think art, creative writing, and drama are especially good for developing children's imagination. These subjects give children open-ended tasks and let them explore different ideas instead of looking for one correct answer. For example, in creative writing class, children can rewrite the ending of a story and imagine what happens to the characters next. Science can help too, because children sometimes have to think of possible explanations before they know the answer.
Chu Fenn.
I'd say art, creative writing, and drama are probably the most useful subjects for developing children's imagination. In those classes, children often get open-ended tasks, so they can explore different possibilities instead of looking for one correct answer. For example, if they have to rewrite the ending of a story, they need to think about what the characters might do next and explain their choice. Science can help too, because children often have to come up with several explanations for what they observe and then test them. That is a more practical use of imagination, so creative subjects are not the only ones that matter.
8.5 分.
I'd put art, creative writing, and drama near the top of the list when it comes to stretching a child's imagination. What makes them so useful is that the work is often open-ended. Children have to make choices, take creative risks, and create something of their own. In a creative writing lesson, for example, rewriting a story's ending makes them think about how each character might react, and whether the new ending still feels believable. Science may not seem as creative at first, but it belongs on the list too. When an experiment produces an unexpected result, children have to come up with several explanations and then use evidence and logic to decide which one makes the most sense.
Practice every day. Keep speaking.